Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover a British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar. So as I alerted in my previous forecast that pound dollar had a very beautiful bull flag yesterday morning. And market did the retest exactly that pivot level or the first objective at 1.2440. But what we basically found here is that market, after the FOMC, it's traded there, but then it sold off during the Tokyo session, during the overnight session. And we can see that market cleared this low at 1.2345. Now, what I found here, if you check like a 4-hour time frame, we can see this big imbalance that we had here. We can find out that we have actually area of recent swing highs there, and the beginning of this bar, from my perspective, this will be the key to watch. If the market can go and clear this 1.2, I will say 260 mark, then the demand, eventually some bigger drop can happen. But for this stage, this is still bull condition. And we can see that market is testing the upper trend line, so this upside trend line. So demand is in control, and this pullback might be basically, this will be the key area to watch. 1.2300 mark. And especially if the market have a power to clear 1.2260, then something bigger to the downside might develop, right? But at this stage, I will say this is still great potential support in a rising market. So if the market can stop here, we can see that market, there is no power for the market to go now through this pivot, and market is already down almost 1%. So might be that going into the US session, the market might start to rally. And that can be a good sign for the further upside continuation. So watch for the buying opportunity, since we, especially at this level, we're around the key support. And since we're also in the bull cycle on the higher time frames. If we speak about gold market, let me just show you here. We also have a bull cycle that is present here. Let me just show you. But there is a one difference between the pound and the gold. The gold gave this low of this demand here, and then cleared this low, swing low that we got from December 12. This is the low that we got from December 12. I cannot say that market changed, that I don't see any kind of lower highs, lower lows. This can be something similar like that we had here. So then the market started to react and then start to go higher. This is a still bull cycle for me. Let's consult the daily time frame. You can also see the rising 20-day moving average, or just around where the price stopped. And this is still, for me, bull cycle, so we're building a higher lows, and so market also traded more than average daily range already. So market basically is in extreme condition for the downside. So we might see the reaction from buyers going further into the US session. So something to watch here. If the market can back all the way into the previous day range, I will not be surprised if the market can even trade into the previous day high around 1813. So for now, market is in extreme, and we got climaxes intraday. So market is in a strong bull cycle also on the higher time frames, and 20-day moving average rising is very near. So watch for buying opportunities on the gold. If we speak about the crude oil market, we can see that market is building potential bull flag on the 2-hour time frame, but we already had the 3 days up, and market is trading around the 20-day moving average. Potential also for today is that market can also have maybe even some kind of a sideways day. But for me, either it's a basically sideways or the bull continuation, because we're building this bull flag, and seems like the market, we have a power of potential higher price in the next period. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, also seems like we're building, just show you here on the 4 hour, seems like we're also building like a bull flag, and market also traded, made a bull divergence around the previous day low, so it seems like there is a potential for the higher prices. We have a bull cycle present, and this 4 hour time frame can be a bull flag for potential retest of this pin bar territory 18,000 mark or 18,300 mark. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.